Hi, I'm Paul Perdue, and I'm the infrastructure nerd.
And I'm Mary Jo Boyd, a legal technologist.
You know, if somebody changes their name, maybe they get married, or maybe a company changes its name, maybe they change to an LLC. If you go to the contact file in PracticeMaster, you can change the full name. It's a person, you can change the first and last name.
Yeah, but how do you change the contact ID? Because that's how I search for them. I don't want to search for Brown/whatever. I want to search for her new name. How do I do that? Yeah.
Well, there's a secret.
A secret.
There's
I like
a secret.
secrets.
Would you like me to show you?
I would. Thank
Okay.
you.
So you've seen it before. Here's the situation. You're going to change Linda Willis's name. So you come in here and you change it to whatever it is. Linda Sue Perdue. Okay, but you can't change this. If I click here, I just can't block this contact ID. I can't access this field at all. I can access any field on this screen or any of the other screens that are associated with this contact except for the contact ID. So let me save this and show you that all we need to do is get back over to the List tab. And under Quick Clicks, whether you're showing Quick Clicks or not, you might have to hover over it. You might have it pinned open. You might have Take Action showing the items underneath it. You might not. You might have to use this. But if you are showing them right there, Rename Contact, you can also right-click on the contact and choose Action and choose Rename. And what that does is it says, okay, this is what her old contact ID is. You want it to be changed to Perdue/Linda. It lets me also update the name fields. For instance, the last name field had not been changed to Perdue. I've missed that. And by checking this box, it's going to make sure that full name and last name or first name, if it's appropriate, change. And you also have a box that you can check to, upon completion, open up the contact record just to check it out, make sure everything that had to change did change, okay? Because a lot of times people don't go in and change the name and then come here and use rename. They just use this checkbox. They open up the record when they're done. They check everything out, make sure that everything changed, and they're done. Now, the reason for this is that there are a whole bunch of things that may point to Linda Willis. And if we just changed the contact ID without running this routine, if it allowed us to do that, all those things would become disassociated. They wouldn't be associated with Linda Perdue. They're associated with Linda Willis, and we've changed that contact's ID. So what this does, it not only changes that ID field from Linda Willis/Linda to Perdue/Linda, it also goes out and looks at every record that might be pointing to this and changes its pointer so that it now points to Perdue/Linda. And that's why we have to do it this way. I'm going to go ahead and check this box just so you can see what it does. I'm going to say OK. It asks if we're sure. Yes. You saw it very briefly. It flashed back and forth. That was it going out after it made the change to the contact record itself. That was it going out and changing any other record that points to Linda Willis or used to point to Linda Willis/Linda, and making sure that now it points to Perdue/Linda. And so now we have changed the contact. We are in this screen where we can make sure that everything that we want changed is changed. And when we get out of here, close that, and you'll notice Linda Willis is gone, and now she's Linda Perdue. So, very simple. Rename contact under Take Action, either in Quick Clicks or in the right-click menu under Action. So there you have it. The secret to renaming a contact in PracticeMaster.
So it's not a secret anymore.
It's not a secret anymore.
So that's one more way that we can help you to worry less
and practice more.